Hi everyone, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club featuring the May 2026 HipKits. Today I create my first layout with the May HipKits and I make a colorful layout with paper rolls, tags and fussy cut flowers. And I also use one of our exclusive metal dies, the May 2026 Rattan Texture metal die. First I cut flowers from the Grandma's garden paper. Then I fussy cut the same flowers in a smaller size from the 6x8 inch pocket life paper. Now I cut strips from the Fly Free, the Schedule It and the Floral Affair paper and the spring cardstock which is included in the May cardstock kit. Then I use these strips to make paper rolls. I chose the Art Happens paper for the background of my layout and on this base I arranged my paper rolls. Now I cut the Rattan Texture background from the Horizon, the Flamingo and the Cantaloupe cardstock and tuck pieces of these die cuts behind the paper rolls to add texture. I adhere everything and then I add the fussy cut flowers, my photo and die cuts from the Die Cuts Tags and Journaling Bits pack. I also add some die cuts from the cardstock ephemera pack. Then I add a piece of twine and attach the ends with a stapler. I continue embellishing the page with fussy cut leaves, flowers and a butterfly. Then I pierce holes and stitch the butterfly trails to add some extra texture. I finish with another floral die cut and 2 puffy stickers. This is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.